Welcome to Spiced Foods. Let's make fried fish. You will need fish fillet 500 grams, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 3-4 cloves of garlic, 250 grams gram flour, or chickpea flour, sesame seeds 60 grams. Marinate the fish and make batter with gram flour and water. Mix. Add a bit of turmeric. Prepare oil. Add sesame seeds in batter. First fry the fish until fully cooked for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Dip the fried fish in prepared batter. Our crunchy fried fish is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and